Hello everyone, I'm Pinyin. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the 6 simple finals, which are the most important vowels in Pinyin. And they are A, O, E, I, U, Ü. Let's start with the first one, A. A sounds very similar to the A as in the English word spa. When you pronounce A, open your mouth wide vertically like you are yawning. Keep your tongue flat at the bottom of your mouth. Don't raise or curl your tongue. Let the sound come naturally from your throat, loud and open, and avoid nasal or breathy sounds. Now, open your mouth and read after me. Ah, ah. The second one is O. When pronouncing O, keep your lips naturally rounded, with the tongue in a mid-high position and the mouth slightly open. Here, the tongue is slightly raised compared to A, but remains relaxed and doesn't touch the roof. Please read after me. O, O. The third one is which sounds very similar to the in the English word her, but shorter and clear. Stretch your lips slightly to the sides, like a smile. Do not round them. With the tongue a little higher than O, and the tip of your tongue doesn't touch the teeth. Very good. The next one is E. It's similar to the E in the English word see, but shorter. When you pronounce E, stretch the corners of your mouth sideways like you are smiling, and push the tip of your tongue against the back of your lower front teeth. E, E. The next one is U, which is quite similar to the U in the English word food, but with tightly rounded lips. When you pronounce U, round your lips tightly into a small pocket shape, more tightly rounded than the O. Your tongue is pulled back and up without touching your teeth. U, U. Okay. The last one is Ü, which does not exist in English. Let's start with the E sound. E, E. Keep your tongue in the same position, but round your lips like you are whistling. Ü, Ü. Be careful here. You need to hold your tongue position. If you relax it, it'll sound like U. Please read after me. Ü, Ü. Alright, let's have a quick review of all the finals we've learned today. A, O, I, U, Ü. Very good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Chinese learning tips and lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.